How to install Silica Mineral Wall Panel. Tools below are recommended. Pinless moisture meter, laser level, table saw or hand saw, diamond grit saw blade, level, diamond grit hole driller, diamond grit jigsaw, measuring tape, pencil, structural adhesive, caulk gun, suction cups, decorative wall trims. For wet area, silicone sealant, masking tape, scraper. Read the installation instruction carefully. Lay panels indoor on a solid, flat, and dry support or surface for at least 24 hours. Room temperature should be from 60 to 75 Fahrenheit. Humidity should be from 35% to 55%. Check the wall panels for defects. Clean the groove if there is any debris. Confirm the locking system of wall panel. Check if wall substrate is solid by hand pressing. Make sure wall surface is clean with no paint or other decorative surfaces. Use the level to measure the wall surface flatness, which should be less than or equal to 1.5 ohm per meter. Use the laser level to divide the wall surface into multiple blocks according to the wall panel size. Mark out the layout over the wall surface with the pencil. Mark out the cutting line on the corresponding wall panel. The front of panels should be facing up while cutting. A required saw blade is recommended to be used to remove excess panels. A handsaw with diamond saw blade can be also used for cutting. Caution: 2 persons are needed for carrying and handling panels upright to prevent excessive bending. Measure sizes of the wall socket and switch. Mark out the corresponding position on the wall panel according to the location of the wall socket and switch. Use diamond grit driller or diamond grit jigsaw to make holes according to the mark sizes. Put the structural adhesive into the caulk gun. The structural adhesive should be evenly applied on the back of the panel. A specific gluing method is recommended. Peel off the protective film at the edge of locking system. The glued panels shall be erected. Use suction cups to align the panel with the pre-marked horizontal and vertical lines on the wall surface. Fit the wall surface upwards from the bottom. Remove all air pockets by pressing in all directions to make better adhesion between the wall panel and the wall. Repeat the process with the remaining wall panels. Caution: slide the installing wall panels into place. Ensure that wall panels are fully connected by the locking system. The external wall trim should be assembled with the wall panel in advance, and then attach the panel with the trim to the wall. Slide the other wall panel into the slot of the trim. The internal wall trim should be also assembled with the wall panel in advance. Remove the surface protective films after installation and clean up the panel surface if necessary. How to install Silica Mineral Wall Panel in shower room. Repeat the wall inspection as mentioned before. Mark out the layout over the wall surface by using the laser level. Measure sizes of the plumbing, socket, or switch. Mark out the cutting line on the corresponding wall panels. Use diamond grit driller or diamond grit jigsaw to make holes according to the mark sizes. Change the proper drill bit if needed. Repeat the gluing method as mentioned before. Peel off the protective film at the edge of locking system and install the wall panel. For wet area, silicone sealant should take place of wall trims to prevent water penetrating walls. Apply the strips of masking tape to protect the panel surface from sealant. Accurately apply the silicone sealant into every joint. Finish the joint by running a sealant finishing tool or wrapped fingers. Remove tapes and scrap out excess sealant. Caution: it takes 24 hours for the structural adhesive to cure. During this period, do not cause impact on the panel surface or produce vibration to weaken the adhesive force. For opening holes after installation, use a low-power driller to penetrate the panel and then deep into the wall at least 3 cm. The single-point suspended weights should not exceed 3 kg. After construction of bathroom or kitchen, please use nail-free or suction cup hooks to prevent damage to the waterproof layer.